AI image generation is a $2.4 billion market in 2026. These three tools control 78% of it. I ran 100 identical prompts through each. The results were shocking. Midjourney V7 still leads in photorealism. The skin textures, lighting, and depth of field are unmatched. DALL-E 4 is close, but struggles with hands less than before. Flux Pro surprises with its consistency. For stylized art, Flux Pro takes the crown. Its understanding of art styles and composition is superior. Midjourney tends to over-beautify everything, which isn't always what you want. DALL-E 4 finally wins at text rendering. Near-perfect typography in images. Midjourney V7 improved, but still makes occasional spelling errors. Flux Pro is middle of the pack. Split-screen comparison of all three tools generating the same 10 prompts, zooming into details like hands, text, and background consistency. Which AI image generator do you use the most? Vote in the poll above and subscribe for the full prompt engineering guide coming next week.